Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 10 how to record an IG story and then post to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone, the Instagram application, which we are about to click now. Make sure you are signed into the account and then go to your profile. Go to the home page, swipe left, and now, in the previous tutorial, we did post a video that we had pre-recorded for the previous tutorials. In this tutorial now, we will hold the record button and then record a video. And now the video has been recorded. Send to your story, done. Should take a couple of seconds to upload. Swipe down to refresh the page a couple of times. Click IG story. The video has now been uploaded. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.